In order to monitor campaigns on the Textback.ai platform, follow these steps. Navigate to the monitoring page. In the Monitoring tab, you can arrange campaigns by status such as running, scheduled, completed, and paused. The view includes titles like campaign title, contact group, route, and more. You can also search for any specific campaign by title. To view the campaign details, click the eye icon to view all information related to the campaign. Here you can see the progress and performance of each of your campaigns. The monitoring will display the delivery rates, click rates, CTR, opt-out rates, and failed rates. You will be able to see how each route, creative as well as domain is performing and optimize them. In order to optimize the campaign, navigate to the right and turn off Activate. To see the campaign statistics and analyze the campaign details, click the Campaign Statistics icon. A new window will display statistics, costs/revenue, and call duration. You can also check the errors by clicking on the error tracking to analyze errors in the campaign details. You can also complete, pause, and resend any campaign. This overview provides a structured approach to checking and analyzing campaigns using the Textback platform. For more detailed insights and configurations, refer to the guidelines specifically under the Monitoring and Analytics sections within the Textback tool.